morning, students. Welcome after exam. Now listen here. We'll start with chapter 6, indices. Here, see, I have written some basic things. This is for addition form. See, if we have the same number is added many a times. Then, when we add this, see, 3 is added how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times. We get the answer equal to as 27. This only addition form, we can write it in the short form as 3 multiplied by 9 times is equal to as 27. We got the answer. But this type of short forms we can apply for multiplication form also, and that is CN. 4 is multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So I can write this as 4 to the power of 4 to the power of 8, or it is also read as 4 raised to 8. This reading of indices we'll learn later on. So this is 4 raised to 8 or 4 to the power of 8. Here 4 to the power of 8, here in this is called as the index number. This is 4 raised to 8 is the index form of multiplication. It is the index form of multiplication. Now 4 here is the base and 8 is the index, or it is also called as the exponent. Now suppose a number is having the power as 1. Like here given example, 7 raised to 1 equal to, it is always equal to 7 only. Or 8 raised to 1, it will be equal to 8. 10 raised to 1, it will be equal to 10. And 98 raised to 1 will be equal to 98 only. That is, the first power of any number is the number itself. So we go to the next one, that is how reading of index numbers. Index numbers or indices. Reading of index numbers. So suppose if I take example as 8. This will called as 8 square and not 8 to the power of 2 it is. We can read it as 8 to the power of 2, but generally we read it as 8 square. 8 square. If it is 8 to the power of 3, then we generally this is read as cube of 8 or 8 cube. Cube of 8 or 8 cube. It is read as in this form. Then 8 raised to 4. It is 8 to the power of 8 to the power of 8 to the power of 4, or it is also read as 8 raised to 4. 8 raised to 5. Here 8 to the power of 5, or it is also read as 8 raised to 5, and so on. In this way we do the reading of index numbers. Now we will learn how to fill up the table in this way. If it is given indices base, index, multiplication form, value. Now first example I have taken 7 raised to 9. 7 is the base, 9 is the index, and multiplication form will be 7 is multiplied 9 times. Value, we multiply it, 7 7 49, 49 into 7 and so on. If you go on multiplying, you get this value. Second example here, minus 5 the whole raised to 4. Base here is a negative number, so minus 5 is the base, 4 is the index, and minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 is the multiplication form. And if we multiply this, we will get as 625. But it is 6 plus 625. How? Minus into minus, you have already learned, it is equal to as a plus. Plus into this minus will give you minus. Then minus into minus, at last it is plus. Or when the power or the index or the exponent 4 is an even number, then the answer is positive. If this exponent or the index is an odd number for a negative base number, then it is negative. Answer is negative. Now further, this type of value, find the value of, if the questions are given directly like this way. For example, 4 raised to 3. Then you have to write it in the multiplication form for finding the value of 4 into 4 into 4. Then 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. Multiply and write the answer. For same thing for the negative base, here second example, minus 3 raised to 5. Negative base, but the index or the exponent is an odd number. So the answer will be a negative number. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, if we multiply, we get 243. Third example, here 2 by 5 the whole raised to 4. It is a rational number. 2 by 5, the base is a rational number. 2 by 5 is a rational number. The power or the index or the exponent is 4. So, in multiplication form, we write it as 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 into 2.5. So, this is equal to all the numerators we multiply 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 by 2 to the 5, 5 is the 25, 25 is the 125 and 25 into 5 is 625. In the same manner, fourth example I have taken here, minus 1 by 3. The base is a rational number, but it is a negative rational number. So, it is raised to 6, or the exponent is 6. So, here multiplication form, it will be minus 1 by 3 into 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 minus 1 by 3. So, here you see it is negative minus 1, but the index or the exponent is an even number as like this. So, the answer is positive, means here also it will be positive. So, 1 is multiplied how many times? It will be 1 only. So, 1 by, then 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into this 3. If you multiply, you get 729. So, in this way, we find the value of the indices number.